The Honor Magic 8 Pro came a little early this year, and I got the chance to use it for the past 2 weeks. This is a China model phone running an early global Magic OS 10 ROM, so while things may still change between now and the full international release at the tail end of this year, what you see should be pretty similar to that final experience. Taking a look at the hardware first, you can see the visual similarities between the Magic 6, 7, and 8 families, but the Magic 8 Pro smooths the edges out a bit and swaps out the shiny metal for this much better brushed metal look. To me, it looks and feels a lot like titanium, and the 213-gram weight certainly suggests that could be the case. But Honor confirmed that this is not titanium. To make that weight even crazier, this China model includes a 7,100 milliamp hour silicon carbon battery inside. That's the largest battery I've ever seen in a flagship phone. Battery life fits the bill, too, and I got over 2 days on a single charge constantly. The European version is a little bit smaller at 6,270 milliamp hours, but that's still a hefty battery size regardless, and probably way bigger than any phone you're using right now. Honor even includes a 100-watt charger in the box too, so topping up won't take any time at all. In addition to a charger and cable, there's this transparent TPU case that's good for keeping the phone protected if you're prone to dropping it, but I'd recommend picking something up a little nicer if you're a person who keeps cases on their phones. This thing is pretty cheap and it doesn't feel great to hold. Since this was mainly a hands-on opportunity to talk about the hardware and camera, I'm not allowed to go in detail about the display yet, but I will say that if you liked the way the Honor Magic V5's displays looked, you'll be very happy with this one. Check out that review to see what I mean. This one also has a native 10-bit panel, so there shouldn't be any dithering under normal conditions. I'll have a proper full display review once the software is finalized later this year. Now, as for the camera, Honor has been substantially ramping up features and quality over the past 2 years, and this one impressed me more than anything else I've used from the company to date. I took the phone out for a day of fall activities and particularly loved using the portrait mode to take most of my shots. It's impressively intelligent and does a great job of providing believable depth in a wide range of scenarios, including portraits of people, food, and everything in between. Telephoto performance was excellent up to 10x, and I really appreciated the natural bokeh this massive telephoto sensor produces without having to use the portrait mode. Honor once again is providing plenty of AI tools for zoom enhancement, but this sort of thing is really hit or miss. Generally, zooming in past 10x is going to be a crapshoot unless you're just trying to read a sign or see something further than your eyes can make out, not for taking actual great-looking photos most of the time. This is a 200 megapixel sensor behind a 3.7x optical lens with OIS, but software can only do so much to fight physics. Overall, I'm super impressed with the phone and can't wait to bring you a full display review in the coming months. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.